Hey guys, what's going on? I wanted to show you another used unit just because the floor plan is something that's pretty unique. I haven't seen anything like it before, and I thought, why not? So we're going to go ahead and give you a tour of that. This is a 2019 Rockwood Mini-Lite, the 2104S model. Our dry weight is looking at 4,602 pounds, and then our sale price is $22,745. So getting started with the outside first, you have a bike rack that I believe the previous owners installed, so you can hang some bikes up there if you want. Frameless windows across, if I can speak today, which always look really nice. Dual propane tanks just behind there, and of course your battery. Some diamond plating is also running at the bottom of your front cap to just help protect that from road debris. And then I wanted to point out too that as we take this walk around on the outside and pretty much the inside, this camper really has a lot of extra storage for how small it is. Like even over here on your camping side, you have access to there and even some pass-through storage. Of course, you have your main entrance, and this is a friction hinge door, so you don't have to worry about the wind slamming it into your camper. Power awning as well that stretches 99% of the way across. You also have your solid steps at your entrance and a supporting helper handle. A bracket out here, so you probably can hang a TV up here if you would like. Plus you have some power. And then moving along, outside speakers and another bracket, so you can have an outdoor cooking area here if you would like. Plus you have your LP disconnect. Coming to the back, an exterior shower, access to your water heater. And you have a rear ladder to help climb up there and keep up on your roof and slide out maintenance. You are also prepped for a Furrion observation camera. And then over here on our non-camping side, you got your city water connection, one slide out, and again, even more storage over here, which is pretty awesome. It kind of goes all the way back there, kind of makes like a U shape. And then this random tall storage, I'm not quite sure what you would put in here, but at least you got it. And then here is the other side of your pass-through storage. So now let's take a look at the inside. So directly to my right when you walk in is your living space slash master bedroom, because this is a Murphy style bed. A lot of people love that. So you can have it put away during the day when you have guests over or your kids are wanting to run around and play. Very comfortable seating, and it does fold into the bed fairly easily. You just pull it straight forward, unlatch those hinges right there, and your mattress should fall forward. And I believe that this turns into the actual legs of the bed, which is pretty cool. Long end tables slash nightstands are on both sides. And the one on the right actually has a charging center and an outlet too for those electronics. Above each is drawers and closet lockers. There's a couple pillows in there. Same thing on the other side. And you actually have tables that you can attach into either side of the armrest for your sofa. So you can have kind of like a TV dinner place right there. Maybe even set your laptop and stuff right up there. Privacy curtain too, so you can kind of block that off and sleep in if you would like. Next to your doorway, you have your control panel like built underneath your kitchen area, so that's where you can access those slide outs, awnings, plus you have some additional power. So even if you want to plug some sort of small appliance in, you can do that. A couple command hooks the previous owners left behind. And then here is your TV. It is on a swivel, so you can change the position of it if you would like. Stainless steel range hood, 3 burners with a glass cover. And this is actually a pretty big oven and stove top for how small this camper is. There's your oven. Stainless steel 50-50 split sink. And you also have a huge window for a nice view while you are cooking. And then this was also left by the previous owners, a towel rack or a paper towel holder. Stainless steel microwave is up above. And then this is right here is where you can access those outside and inside speakers. Even plug in DVDs, CDs, radios, whatever you want. A couple drawers down below as well. And then across from there, we have our U-shaped dinette. It is already in the sleeping position. All you have to do is just move a couple of those cushions, and it's actually perfect for 1, maybe 2 people, depending on size. Definitely your kids can sleep there. Underneath are drawers for some extra storage. And kind of running along the right side of it too. Got your removable shelves, built-in clothes rack for whoever's staying here. They can put their clothes and stuff there, or you can kind of dedicate that to some extra kitchen storage. 4 cabinets up above too. And then towards the rear of our camper, we got our refrigerator. Actually a really good size too. There's the freezer. Extra pantry space to the right. Again, a built-in clothes rack, removable shelves. More storage down below. And then last but not least, we have our bathroom. So to my left is our sink. You have some storage below, power if you need it. Again, the previous owners left this behind, so at least you got some. And I believe this was already built in, but toothbrush holder, soap holder, whatever you want to put, knickknacks right there, more toiletries, stuff like that. Medicine cabinet. Nice rounded out shower too. You have plenty of room to turn around in, and you even have a skylight for some natural light. To the right, put more washcloths and towels right there. And then of course your foot flush toilet. So that is it for this Rockwood Mini, you guys. Any questions or concerns, let us know and we will be happy to help.